Another chance, another day. Gotta be in the pavements again. Alana Streets doing a 10K. Let's go. This is how it starts. Empty street with few runners. It's gonna be full with a lot of runners. And we're gonna be running straight down Peachtree C. It's gonna be a fun one. Nice fun one. Let's go. This guy is crushing it. This guy is crushing it. Here with South Fulton. Hello. We got another fun race out here today. And the beat is on. Still representing BMI. Let's go. Let's go! This guy just flew back last night to come back here.
This ain't my way.
All right, weekend runners. All right, looking good, looking good.
Come here, let's talk, though. Come here, let's talk. When I tell you about Darling, the fitness queen, the queens are here. We're back at it. Back and back. Back and back. This, they just came from Charlotte. They're out here again. Back and back. Back and back. Back and back. I love this people, man. Yeah, this is what we do. Let's go!
This is what we do. This is what we do. The best. Hey, one of the most motivating, encouraging, lovable people. So insightful, so thoughtful. We love you and keep doing everything that you're doing, baby.
Best MC in the world. Best MC in the world.
Let's go. He's committed. He's dedicated. He's getting it done. Let's go.